I really did miss you guys, but mommy's back. Alright, I'm back.
Hey now, get on the floor and do your dance now. No need to wait on good, so play now. You should know you with a leader.
Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know, I'm so excited to finally be back in my finally I'm back. If you thought you could get rid of me, I am not going anywhere. I'm here to stay and I'm here for good, honey. Right? Let's just get that straight. If it's your first time stopping by, you are so welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I decide to drop some new videos and bomb ass comebacks like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back. So if you guys would like to stick around and know how I achieved this look, I'm done ranting. Keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Honey, I heard it's free, so do it. Do it. Just do it. Nike. Do it. Energy for 2020, right? Subscribe. Okay, so we are going to firstly I'm gonna go in with my Mario Badescu. You guys can't really see from there, but yeah, I'm using my Mario Badescu skincare set, just facial spray. My skin has started breaking out, not really breaking out, like it's getting very dry because winter season is just not made for this girl. So I'm going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So I'm back to wearing falsies, mini individual false lashes, which is definitely a vibe. I'm here for it, I'm living for it, but at the same time, it's stress, especially when putting on eyeshadow. It can be a mess. So for today's tutorial, we are going to be using the very beautiful Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Palette by Colorpop Cosmetics. This is such a beautiful palette. First of all, the packaging is just divine. Just look at this. It's beautiful. And the names are actually quite interesting. There's Catch Me, Side to Side, Garden Date, Work It, Prima Drama, Mido, Early Morning, Dream Maker, ICYMI. I don't know what that means, but I'll look it up. If I find what it means, I'll put it right here. There's Melody, Westside, and Feel Free. The colors, the shades, guys, are beautiful. I'm so in love. This is like a glittery shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is like a very glittery shade. So is this and this, but these two are like my favorite. These are definitely beautiful colors you can use for fall. Whatever look you're trying to create, I feel like this palette right here can be used in the fall, can be used in the summer. Winter, I don't really like dark eyeshadow shades for the winter or just in general. I prefer shades like this. I just love how cute it looks. It's beautiful. So I definitely like this shade as well. This will definitely be one of my favorite transitional colors. Wow, so where have I been? That's the main question. I have been around. I just had to take a fall back from YouTube so I could bring you guys better content, you know what I mean? Everything just had to work out perfectly fine. So that's why I've been away. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, I recently launched my very own lash brand. Super proud of that, baby. That's what normally took most of my time because I had to put real planning, time, dedication into it. So I really honestly just couldn't juggle all two at the same time, the YouTube, because honestly with YouTube you need to take your time because I'm creating content for you guys, you know what I mean? And with the brand as well, seeing that it's my very first brand, I really wanted to make sure that I give people what they really want, you know what I mean? So with the whole eyeshadows, with the whole eyelash, I don't know why I'm saying eyeshadow, I'm speaking it into existence. Eyeshadows are coming in Jesus' name, say amen. So for my next shade, I'm then going to go in with West Side, which is more of the brownish shade. Pretty cute actually, I love it. Ooh, wow, speak about pigment, guys. Wow. And I barely picked up so much product then already. And I'm using the MAC 217 brush. I'm just gonna Oh wow, I love, oh my god. Wow, alright. She's already like making me so speechless. So I'm just gonna blend that in as well, right on top of the Feel Free shade. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this shade, guys. So yeah, starting a brand is actually a lot of work. I never imagined I'd have to like put in so much work, because you have to put in like, I have to do product shoots, I have to do you know, just photo shoots for the brand as well, because I don't want it to just be a random, you know, oh, I'm selling products. I want to do like a whole, you know, I want to give you guys something great, you know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, this product has my name on it, so it has to represent me, and I like being extra, so I definitely also wanted that to also reflect in the brand as well. So yeah, I think towards the middle of the year I lost my grandma, so that also kind of like took its toll on a lot of things, because I kind of had to like slow down a little bit in terms of like putting myself out there, filming. I just wasn't in a great space. I really just didn't want to like come on here and pretend as if everything is okay, you know, trying to put up a whole act. You know, you guys know I like being myself on my channel, because that's the whole point. Like, you know, it's just, this channel's about me being myself. And it was a very tough moment, because this is my mother's mother, and seeing my mother break down the way she did, really, like, that just like, it kind of like messed up with my psyche a little bit as well, because it kind of like brought me in a place where I had to like think and be like, oh snap, like she lost her mother. Like, imagine, God forbid, this is me right now, how would I feel, you know? So I had to like cut down a little bit like communication with people. I honestly also just wanted to be on my own and not have like a lot of things or a lot of people around me at the time. I get that, because it was a lot, honestly speaking. It was really just a lot, but thank God we managed to get through it. It's not an easy situation.
You're the one I want to. Before my liver starts to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cassava start to heal, if I ever leave, oh. Make water carry me, they go far, oh.
Take the darkest shade in the palette, so which is Feel Free, this one. And I'm just gonna pop it a little bit under my lash line. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild black liner. I think this is the first time I'm using black liner under my eyes on my channel.
Way far away, what would I do without you, my charge? I don't feel this way with anybody. Yeah. Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy.
So then I'm gonna go in with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I'm just going to define my bottom lashes a little bit without hurting myself. So for primer, I'm going to be using one of my favorite primers, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. Guys, this primer is life right here, honestly speaking. Like, it's, when they say matte, they really mean it's matte. So I'm just gonna place a little bit on it. My skin has, ooh god, I said a little bit and I'm just putting too much. Like, oh my god. That word, the word little, on this channel we don't know what it means. So for foundation, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 450. This is initially my shade for the matte foundation that they have. So thank God this came out, because in the winter my skin gets super dry. It's annoying actually. So yeah, I'm not putting too much on my forehead because I'm going to use the excess that I have around my face and just paste it up on my forehead. So that's okay. So I'm just going to go in and spray my face with my Mario Badescu. I love how this smells. Like, it's so good. And then I'm just going to buffer the product into my face. I have oily skin all throughout, but then in the summer, like, my skin is like moist, but in the winter my skin gets very dry, very dry. Thank God for the Hydrating Foundation because I really need it. I really need it. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and then just press the product in. Again, a tactic I try to follow to combat oily skin. Does it work? Never, but I still do it anyways. So for concealer, we'll be going in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Dark 42. And then I'm just gonna do. Right under the eye, along the nose. Ooh, that's a lot under the nose. Did I say this is under the nose? Please don't mind me. This is the bridge of my nose. This is under my nose. I'm going to use my Mario Badescu and just spray that out.
Way, far away. What would I do without you, my charge? I don't feel this way with anybody. Yeah. Tell me your secrets, I'm not messy. Steady it for me, boy, hold steady. So are you looking for a sister? Show my love. She gets it dollar. She did wear designer. Are you looking for a sister? Oh, my love. She gets it dollar.
So, a friend of mine, shout out to you, Lantia. Anyways, I should do the shout out to you, Lantia, because she had press-on nails and they looked mad good, yo, like super good. And she's like, press-on nails? I'm like, you better be lying. She's like, yeah, it's press-on nails. They looked so good. They're press-on nails, so all you just need to do, if it falls off, oop, glue it back on and move on. No one's gonna know that they're press-on nails unless you tell them. And are you gonna be telling people? No. Why are you gonna do that? Okay, so we're gonna use setting powder to set our face, and we're using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in the shade 20, which is light medium. See my life. I'm not feeling how this is being blended, especially around this part of my eye, right over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it seems too lighter, like under, like there's patches. So I'll be going in with the very famous Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and y'all know the shade. This is the shade I like to use. I don't normally like fully contour. Sometimes I just bronze. So just to kind of like warm up my face a little bit, so I'm just going to do that. Yep, it's too, it looks very light under there. I'm seeing it now, like it's just. So I'm going to take my Real Technique brush, buff a little bit of the product, and then go into the nose. Then what I like to do is go back in with that same setting brush that I used. So now just buffer it all up, because I really don't like it when my nose looks too. So for the lips, I'm going in with the Morphe lipstick. I really like the packaging. It's pretty cute. Like it looks very bougie, like very high end. So there's the M on it. This is how it's shaped. It's pretty cute actually. I like it. Like it's really, it's bougie. And then here it says Morphe. I got the shade The Talk. How ironic, because I like to talk, so the talk. So for the lip liner I use is the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I tried using this for my brows. I found that it was too light, so I ended up using this as a lip liner. It works. I just use the spoolie for my brows. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Lip Glass. I don't know what shade this is in, but yeah, that shade. Gods, yes, honey, yes. It's Rayediant BH Cosmetics highlighter. I use the shade Rayediant and the shade French Toast. I just alternated between the two and simply just highlighted. So we officially come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the simple fall look. So if you're trying to get into fall makeup, I feel like you definitely need to go for like more neutral and very warm colors just to brighten up your skin. And also try getting a hydrating foundation, or better yet, if you don't have one, just get this, baby girls. It's your lifesaver. Most importantly, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget to share with your friends, share with your father's friends, your friends' friends, your sister's friends, your mom's friends. You know, share it within the community. This could probably be helping somebody right now, trying to help them prep up for that date night, you know, whatever it is they're trying to get their lives into. At least they could look cute too. Don't forget, spread the love. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Your time is running out. Your time is running out. Your
Trap, trap, trap in a bando. Too much cake for your battle. Somebody ring the alarm. Somebody call police. Oh, hey. Trap, trap, trap in a bando.